If you're running a business and still doing everything manually, whether that is sending emails, booking appointments, or following up with your customers, then you're working way harder than you need to. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate your business using Go High Level. So now let's get started. First off, what is business automation and who needs that? If you run any type of business, be it an e-commerce business, a service-based business, a coaching business, an agency, a local store, or even if you're a content creator selling digital products or courses, you need automation. Automation saves time, eliminates manual work, and ensures that no leads slip through the cracks. It's all about working smarter and not harder. So what can you automate? With Go High Level, you can automate email marketing, so follow-ups, newsletters, offers. Then you can automate SMS marketing, reminders, promotions, appointment confirmations. Then you can do appointment scheduling, so you can integrate that with a calendar. You can do CRM and lead nurturing, so you never forget a prospect. Funnels and websites, you have a drag and drop builder with no coding required. Reputation management, so you can automatically request Google reviews, and so much more. So basically, Go High Level, it's an all-in-one tool that replaces many expensive subscriptions while also offering a lot of value. So let's get into it. How do you use it for automating your business? So if you have an agency, you can automate client onboarding and lead generation. If you have e-commerce, you can set up abandoned cart emails and SMS reminders. If you do real estate, you can automate follow-ups with leads and appointment booking. As a coach, you can set up courses, email sequences, and membership sites. For salons and spas, you can set automated reminders and special promotions. And for dental or medical offices, you can streamline appointment scheduling, follow-ups, and patient reminders. So whatever your business might be, there is a way you can automate it with Go High Level. And here's the deal. With the link below, I'm giving you 30 days to try out Go High Level for your business. So click the link below and start your free trial. It is free. You can just try the tool out. So here's how to get started step by step. First off, use the link below to sign up for your free trial and log into your dashboard. Then you will have the agency view. So basically, you will see all your sub accounts, and you will need to create your sub account, which is you creating a specific account to use for a certain business that you want to automate. So you can click create account to set up a new business profile. You need to choose your industry if you like, connect your existing tools, your calendar, add your business details, address, and so on. The next thing you can do is import a dedicated snapshot. So what a snapshot is everything that I've talked about, all the automations that I talked about, the website, the funnels, the pages, the stores, the email and SMS automation, the reputation management, and everything else is included in that specific bundle, let's say, for your specific niche. So the next part is starting your website design. That will be already designed there. All the pages will be created, but what you will need to do is go edit them and make them your own for your own business. So you can go to sites, funnels, and websites, and then choose a template or start from scratch. The website, again, will already be created if you want to use the snapshot. So you can go to websites, for example, click on the existing website for the dental clinic, for example, and you can go to the homepage and click edit, and then all you have to do is just add a different image for the slider, add a different menu if you like to change that, add different colors, fonts, just customize the pages in the way that you'd like, and you can customize the homepage, all the landing pages and sales pages, as well as the funnels. Another thing that is included are forms, so you can capture leads and set up automated thank you pages. Now let's set up email automation. So after your website is complete, everything is ready to go, you know your branding, you know your style, everything, you can go to marketing and campaigns. So you need to create an email sequence for appointment reminders, post-visit follow-ups, patient check-ins, and more. So for example, in the day before their appointment, you can do, hey, just a reminder about your dental appointment tomorrow at time, reply this to confirm. Or as a post-visit follow-up, you can do, hope your visit went great, let us know how you're feeling, book your next appointment, or even request a review. Then you can automate SMS messages. If you've ever been to a clinic, you know that you get all those texts. For example, tomorrow's your appointment, reply no if you can't make it for your appointment, and things like that. So this is how you can do that for your clinic, salon, anything, any type of business. So you can go to automation and workflows. You can set up SMS triggers for appointment reminders, missed appointment follow-ups, and promotions. For example, as a new lead follow-up, hi, thanks for reaching out, we'd love to schedule a consultation, click here to book a time, and you send them the booking link. You can do a missed appointment reminder, hey, we noticed you missed your appointment, need to reschedule, click here and send them the link. And then you can set up appointment scheduling. So for them to be able to click that link and book a time they can visit you, you can go to calendars and set up availability. Patients can book directly from your website or your landing pages, and you can auto send confirmation emails and SMS reminders. Now, if you don't want people to be able to just book around on your website, you can add your call center phone number on your website. People can call there and they can book through the person on the phone, and the person using this app for your business can be like, okay, I've scheduled your appointment in that day at that time, and then the reminders will go automatically to that person. So they can be reminded a few days before, the day before, a few hours before. They can get text messages after the appointment is done, emails after the appointment, and so much more. So there you go. This is how you can have a fully automated business working for you 24/7. I think this is very useful and mandatory to use in a salon business, service business, healthcare business, or any other businesses where you want to keep your leads close to you, and of course help them not forget about your services. So by using my link in the description, again, you get 30 days free. So if you've enjoyed the video and you enjoyed finding out more about automating your business, make sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel below. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!